Good morning guys, and in front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. But first open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password and go to fingerprint ID. Provide your lock screen if you have one, and if you don't, you will have to create a new one. Tap on unlock device, and here you will be able to add your fingerprint. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on this sensor till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. Tap on OK to save it, and as you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.